and there is you see a train leaving the station, but they come every 4 or 5 minutes, so it's not that long of a wait. Besides, I think we're going in the opposite direction anyway. So yeah, quite a walk, and as I talked in a video I think yesterday, that's why you see so few people who are out of shape, because of all the walking which you have to do in Moscow. And we will probably have to get our backpack checked here. Yeah. Now we can attach our card and be on our merry way. It's very, very common in Moscow to have your backpack checked by scanner, X-ray machine. Yeah, this is where we're going, and it's a normal procedure. It keeps passengers safe from people who want to do some bad stuff. Sometimes they have a handheld scanner, which I think is used to detect explosives. I don't know, but that's what I guess it is. Okay, so once again, hold the door. Oh, there comes our train. Like I said, they come very quickly, and we need to hurry up because that yellow line ahead is where the last car would stop, and I missed the train in the past because I did not realize that that would be the last, the stop for the last car. Look, see? That's it, that's the end of it. So people behind are going to be late if they don't hurry up. And you can walk pretty much through the whole train. It's very, very convenient. Yeah, very, very convenient train, Moscow Centrail Ring. There is a TV there showing you news and ads, and that display there showing the current speed 95 kilometers an hour. Not bad. 21st of October 2025, 1:43 p.m. Moscow, Russia. Yeah, here you can see a very convenient display. It shows you the next stop and how much time it will take for the train to reach the next stop. In our case, Botaniический сад, Botanical Garden. It will take 4 minutes to get there.
Ботанический сад.
Yeah, next stop.
Платформа справа.
Next
Для
stop.
вашей безопасности держитесь за поручни.
Next stop, Botaniический сад, Botanical Garden. This is what just the lady said. And then she said, for your safety, hold the handles. I guess if you're standing up, it's a good idea. But yeah, once the train reaches the platform, if you want to exit, you need to press that button. It lights up right now. It's not lit up, but once it lights up, it means it's available for you to press it in order to exit. I think we will need to do a transfer to a metro station and take metro for one stop, if I am not mistaken. But
Станция Ботанический сад. Платформа справа. Наземный переход на станцию метро Ботанический сад.
Yeah, we'll need to go to metro and then take one metro stop. So you will see this lighting up. And now we can exit onto the platform and then transfer to metro. It's hilarious that they used the transliteration Botanический сад, which is botanical garden, transliterated as Botanический sad, as if it's someone is sad, but no, sad. No one is sad here. It basically means garden. Sad in Russian is garden, and they don't translate into English, they just transliterate. So if you hear Botanический сад, you'll see in English it says Botanический sad. It will not say Botanический garden, botanical garden. So just be aware of that, and don't wonder who on earth is sad here or sad there. No one is sad, everyone's happy. Yeah, we're just going through an exit here, and here's our Botanический sad. Don't be sad. And if you would like to use a toilet, there's a toilet right there. This one is free, but throughout Moscow you see paid toilets, and you do need to have either cash or bank card, Russian bank card, to use those. They're not very expensive, like 60 rubles, 100 rubles, which is like $1.50. But yes, you want to make sure that you have something to get inside, because otherwise, yeah, you'd be stuck. And there are not too many places in the middle of Moscow, especially to find a place to relieve yourself without a cop being unavailable to arrest you. So yeah, let's not do that. Just carry cash. Oh, there is an argument going on. Let's not argue, let's be happy. No one is sad here, remember. Everyone's happy. So this is Moscow subways and Circle Line. So this is Circle Line I was talking about. We boarded at Izmailovo. We went down this way, now we're here, Botanический sad. So sad. And now we're gonna take one stop to ВДНХ. This is where it is. But yeah, you can see how huge it is. So that's what I was talking about before. We would have to go all the way here, right? A radial line to oh, there is no connection even, but let's say we would go here, which is Circle Line, small Circle Line. We would have to go here, right? So from here then to here, and then we would go here. So we would definitely be contributing to overcrowding on the small Circle Line, but now it's just like that, and just like that. See, nice and easy. And the whole city is like that, because this line we just took, it goes all around. Very, very convenient. That's Moscow Central Circle. Very convenient. And yes, you can see how it made life easy for so many commuters. Absolutely fantastic. Yeah, so we came outside from here, Moscow Central Ring, Moscow Central Circle, and the subway is right there. So it's a short walk, and then we would be able to board the subway, take one stop, and we're at ВДНХ Exhibition Center. But this is Botanический сад, or Botanical Garden Metro Station, as well as Moscow Central Circle Station. So speaking of, here's a toilet, and we just saw a free toilet down there, but this one is a paid one. So here was 50 rubles, which is about 50 euro cents, and you either pay by card, again it has to be a Russian card, or you can use cash to get inside and yeah, help yourself. Very, very convenient. Here's a Botanический сад metro station, and we need to go just one stop to ВДНХ. And this is where the exhibition, a very huge exhibition center, is located. So we're here, Botanический сад. And this is ВДНХ, where we need to go.
Осторожно, двери закрываются. Следующая станция ВДНХ. Будьте вежливы, уступайте места инвалидам, пожилым людям, пассажирам с детьми и беременным женщинам.
Lots of people waiting. Still middle of the day, it probably gets even busier as time gets close to the rush hour. Very nice, very nice. Now we are close to the end of our elevator ride, sorry, escalator. It's very, very, very long. So watch your step, make sure you don't stumble. And keep moving, do not stop. Want to work in Moscow transportation system? That's the site to go to. So this is ВДНХ metro station. There is a map, it's very convenient for authorities to put a map like that, and I see ВДНХ entrance straight ahead. But yes, that's where we are. And oh, that's a monument to Soviet space explorers. There's a big rocket at the top of this. I don't know what you call this, but yeah, there's a rocket on top of it, and that's the metro station, ВДНХ. And that's the way to the actual exhibition center where we are heading to see what's going on. It's a bit of a rain, a bit of a drizzle, but that's okay. It's totally fine. It's typical Moscow October weather. And yes, the toilets we showed you before at the previous station, here they are. The green light means they're available, and if there's a red light, do not barge in, somebody's inside. Chances are they locked the door, but in case they forgot, make sure you don't create an inconvenience for that person by opening the door when they're doing their business.